Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. In today's video, I am going to explain you about some important trigonometrical equations. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Now let's begin. We have to solve these trigonometrical equations. Okay, so before starting, I want to give you some tips to solve trigonometrical equations. These trigonometrical equations are the equations which are satisfied by some certain values of the angle. Okay, trigonometrical identities are satisfied by every values of the angle, but here these trigonometrical equations are satisfied by some certain values of the angle. And while solving these trigonometrical equations, we should not cancel trigonometrical ratios on both sides. Suppose if you get like this, sine theta cos theta on the left hand side, and on the right hand side if you get cos square theta, if you cancel this cos square theta and cos theta, then you will lose this value. You should not cancel this way. Rather than that, you should write like this way: sine theta cos theta minus cos square theta, and you should write 0 here, and you should take out common. Okay, this thing you should care. Okay, do not cancel trigonometrical ratios on both sides or in numerator and denominator. Rather than cross multiply, and you can bring all trigonometrical ratio in one side, and in one side make it 0, and taking common you can solve the trigonometrical equation. This thing you have to care. And another thing is of the quadrant rule. Okay, you need to know about the quadrant rule as well. Okay, quadrant rule, that is 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, and again here in this 0 place it will overlap and it will be 360 degree again. And this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here all ratios are positive, here sine positive, here tan positive, here cos positive. Okay, so if the angle is theta in first quadrant, acute angle is theta in first quadrant, in second quadrant required angle will be 180 minus theta, and in third quadrant required angle will be 180 plus theta, in fourth quadrant required angle will be 360 minus theta. Okay, this thing you have to care. From 0 to 90 it is first quadrant. In first quadrant, if it is angle theta, then 90 to 180 it is called second quadrant. In second quadrant angle is 180 minus theta, required angle will be 180 minus theta. 180 to 270 it is third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan is positive and required angle will be 180 plus theta. And from 270 to 360 it is fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive and required angle will be 360 minus theta. Okay, in that way, after finding out acute angle, we can find out the required angle in any quadrant. Okay, now let's solve this question. So here we have to factorize this expression and get the value of cos theta. Okay, for this we can shift this to the other side. Minus 2 cos square theta, when it goes to right side becomes 2 cos square theta. 5 cos theta, it has plus sign here. When it goes to right side becomes minus, so minus 5 cos theta. This 2 is in the same side, so it is plus 2. So we have shifted this all expression to the right side, so equal to 0 will be here in this side. Okay, but equal to 0 in this side means also this expression is 0. Equal to 0 here means also this expression is 0. So we can write equal to 0 in this other side. Now we can factorize this. So for the factorization this, we can write this 5 cos theta as cos theta minus 4 cos theta plus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Because adding this and this will get minus 5 cos theta, and product of these two is same as product of first and last. Okay, simple process of factorization of algebra. Now from this 2 we can take out cos theta. So after you take out cos theta, here remains 2 cos theta minus, here cos theta 1 is cos theta 1 here, minus from this 2 is common, 2 cos theta minus times plus minus 2 1 is 2 equals to 0. Now from this 2 2 cos theta minus 1 is common, and this cos theta minus 2 remains equals to 0. Okay, this is common and remaining factor is cos theta minus 2. So from this what you will get is either 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0 or cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. So this implies from this we will get 2 cos theta equals to 1, and from this you will get cos theta equals to 2. Okay, so value of cos can't be greater than 1, so from this we will not get solution. It is impossible as value of cos theta can't be greater than 1. Okay, because cos theta formula is base over hypotenuse, and base can't be bigger than hypotenuse, so cos theta value can't be 2. Okay, maximum value if base and hypotenuse are equal. Okay, that if the triangle is just like straight line, then only maximum value can be 1, otherwise value of cosine will be lesser than 1, will not be bigger than 1. Okay, so now from this let's find out the value. This implies cos theta equals to 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 means it is cos 60 degree. Okay, and as cos is positive in fourth quadrant, all sine tan cos, so required angle in fourth quadrant will be obtained by 360 minus theta, then 360 minus 60, it will be cos 300. Therefore theta equals to 60 degree and 300 degree. These two are our required answers. Okay, in this way we can easily solve these questions if we just know the quadrant rule. Now let's move to next question. Question number 2. Here also we need to factorize the given expression. Let's begin. This implies, first of all, while solving trigonometrical equations, all trigonometrical ratios we should change into the same type of trigonometrical ratios. Okay, here sin x, here cos square x, so we should change into same trigonometrical ratios. It will be easier for us to change this cosine in terms of sine. So now let us change in terms of sine. For cos square x formula is 1 minus sine square x plus 4 sine x equals to 5. And now 4 1 is 4 minus 4 sine square x plus 4 sine x equals to 5. Okay, and this implies minus 4 sine square x plus 4 sine x, and this is plus 4, and it comes here because minus 5 equals to 0. Now we have minus 4 sine square x plus 4 sine x. 4 minus 5 will be minus 1 equals to 0. Now to make this term positive, let's shift this to the other side. This becomes 4 sine square x. When it goes to other side, it becomes minus 4 sine x, and when it goes to other side, it becomes plus 1. Now this all is shifted to the right side, so equal to 0 will be here on the left side. But equal to 0 here on the left side means this expression is 0. Equal to 0 here on the right side also, this expression is 0. So rather than writing this expression equal to 0 on the left side, we can write equal to 0 on the right side as well, because the meaning is same. Now let us change this in a square minus 2ab plus b square form. This is perfect square. This 2 sine x whole square we can write, and this 1 we can write as 1 whole square, and it is just like a square and b square. Okay, now in the middle we can write 2ab, 2 times a is 2 sine x, and b means 1 plus this b square equals to 0. Now it is just like a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2, this is a, this is b plus b square equals to 0. Now when you find the product, 2 to the 4 and the 4 sine x, this and this expression is same. Okay, this expression and this expression are same. Now using the formula, you know, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square. Okay, so if you use this formula, then instead of this you can write 2 sine x minus 1 and its square equals to 0. So its meaning is 2 sine x minus 1 times 2 sine x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so from this, either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. This implies 2 sine x minus sine x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 sine x equals to 1 we will get. Okay, from both you will get the same thing, either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. This implies sine x equals to 1 over 2. And now this 1 over 2 means it is sine 30 degree, and according to our quadrant rule, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, here it will be 360 also in the same place as 0, and here first, second, third, fourth quadrant, all sine, tan, cos. Here sine value is positive, sine is positive in second quadrant. So if the acute angle, this 30 is acute angle, this theta in first quadrant, required angle in the second quadrant will be 180 minus theta. Okay, so our required angle is in the second quadrant, so here will be sine 180 minus, instead of theta we have 30, 180 minus 30. Therefore value of x will be 30 and 150, but we require angle from 0 to 90, so we can write only 30 degree, because question has asked to find out angle from 0 to 90 degree. If question asks from 0 to 360, then only we need to find out this value. Here x equals to 30 degree. Here x equals to 30 degree is the required answer, because question has asked to find out angle from in the range from 0 to 90. So therefore x equals to 30 degree is the required answer. Okay, so in this way we have solved these questions like previous question by factorization. Okay, and while writing answer, what is the range of the angle given? Within that range we'll find the value of the angle. All right, now let's move to next question. Here is given tan square a minus 1 plus root 3 tan a plus root 3 equals to 0. This also we have to solve. Okay, solve means getting the value of angle, and value of angle A is from 0 degree to 360 degree. Let's start to solve this. Or tan square A minus tan A 1 is tan A minus times plus minus root 3 tan A plus root 3 equals to 0. Okay, here also we need to factorize. For this, from this 2 we can take out common, and from this last 2 also we can take out common. Okay, from this first 2 terms tan A will be common, from this last 2 terms root 3 will be common. Okay, let's take out common. Tan A is common from these 2 terms, so after you take out tan A common, here remains tan A minus here will be 1 minus from this 2 root 3 is common, tan A minus times plus minus is 1 equals to 0. Or from this 2 tan A minus 1 is common, and tan A minus root 3 remains, that equals to 0. And from this what we will get is either this tan A minus 1 equal to 0 or tan A minus root 3 equals to 0. Either tan A minus 1 equals to 0 or tan A minus root 3 equals to 0. Now this implies tan A equals to 1, and this implies tan A equals to root 3. Okay, and here tan A equals to 1 means it is tan 45 degree, and according to quadrant rule, let's look at quadrant rule. All sine tan cos. Here if the angle is theta in first quadrant, it is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. If the angle is theta in first quadrant, in second 100t minus theta, in third it is 100t plus theta, and in fourth it is 360 minus theta. Okay, and our angle lies in third quadrant because this is tan A, tan is positive in third quadrant, tan value is here positive, 1 is positive, and so our theta is 45 degree in first quadrant, so required angle in the third quadrant will be tan 100t plus 45. And similarly here tan A equals to root 3, it is tan 60 degree, value of tan 60 is root 3, so instead of root 3 we can write tan 60 degree, and tan is positive in third quadrant, so you can write tan 180 plus 60. And now this implies tan and tan from these two, tan cancels, and then A equals to 45 degree, and here you will get 180 plus 45, 225 degree, and from this equals to 60 degree you will get, and from this you will get 240 degree. Okay, therefore let's write the angle in increasing order. First of all, 45 degree, next that is 60 degree, 225 degree, 240 degree. Okay, these are the required values of the angles. Okay, this way we can easily find out the required value if you just know how to factorize and if you know the quadrant rule. All right, now let's move to next question. Here is given cos theta over cosec theta plus 1, and here cosec theta minus 1 equals to 2. Let's solve this. Here cos theta over this cosec theta means we can write 1 over sin theta plus here 1 plus cos theta. This you can write 1 over sin theta minus 1 equals to 2 is on the right side, or cos theta over here 1 plus sin theta 1 is sin theta over this sin theta plus cos theta over here 1 minus sin theta 1 is sin theta over sin theta equals to 2, or the sin theta goes up here, so it will be cos theta times sin theta over this 1 plus sin theta plus this sin theta goes up, so cos theta times sin theta over 1 minus sin theta equals to 2 we can write. Okay, or here from this 2 cos theta times sin theta will be common. Cos theta times sin theta is common, and here remains 1 over this 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, because from this is taken out common, this one's a this. Okay, plus this also already taken out common, so here remains 1 minus sin theta equals to 2. Okay, and or here cos theta sin theta, sorry, here is 1 plus sin theta only. And now let's take out its LCM, that is 1 plus sin theta times 1 minus sin theta. So when you divide this quantity by this will be cancelled, and 1 minus sin theta 1 is 1 minus sin theta, plus if you divide this quantity by this 1 minus sin theta, then this will be cancelled, and 1 plus sin theta 1 is 1 plus sin theta. Okay, equals to 2 is on the right side, or cos theta times sin theta, here plus sin theta minus sin theta can be cancelled. Here this 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta we divided by 1 plus sin theta, this is cancels, and 1 minus sin theta 1 is 1 minus sin theta. When you divide 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, this and this cancels, and 1 plus sin theta 1 is 1 plus sin theta. Now minus sin theta and plus sin theta can be cancelled, and now this 1 plus 1 it will be 2 over a plus b, a minus b formula, a square minus b square, that is 1 square means 1 minus sin theta sin square theta. Okay, using a plus b, a minus b formula, a square minus b square, a square means 1 square, it is 1 itself, minus b square means sin square theta equals to 2 here on the right hand side. Okay, and now, or we can write here we have 2 cos theta sin theta, 1 minus sin square theta formula is cos square theta equals to 2 here. Okay, and as I have already said, this cos square theta and cos theta we do not cancel, because if we cancel then we will lose the value. Okay, so without cancelling we will do. Right, so now we will cross multiply 2 cos theta sin theta, this 2 times minus 2 times cos square theta equals to 0, and this implies from this 2 we can take out 2 cos theta common, and here remains sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0. So from this what we will get, either this 2 is not equal to 0, so either cos theta equals to 0 or sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0. So from this you will get cos theta equals to 0, means it is cos 90 degree. Okay, our value we have to find out from 0 degree to 90 degree, so here only 90 degree I have written. Or from this sin theta equals to cos theta, and dividing both sides by sin theta or cos theta, dividing both sides by cos theta, sin theta over cos theta, cos theta over cos theta, and this implies sin theta over cos theta is tan theta, and this cos theta cancel, so we will get 1 means tan 45 degree, and hence therefore what we will get is theta equals to 45 degree and then 90 degree. Okay, we have got these two values of theta equals to 45 degree and 90 degree. Okay, and whether our answer is correct or not, we can also put this value in the given equation and check it with, if we get same value on the right hand side and left hand side while substituting this value of angle theta, then our answer is correct. Otherwise we need to check it whether we have made any mistake in any place. In that way we can easily find out our mistake in examination, and if our solution is not correct, then we can find out our mistake, and we will be safe. We won't lose any marks in examination. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it right now, and also share this video with your friends, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.